Many of you guys, when I kind of throw up the idea of getting some extra life insurance, I often hear, I don't need it. I have it from my boss. I even bought the extra stuff. Did you know that group term life insurance, if it's over $55,000, is actually taxable to your family? So you lose all of those benefits of having life insurance that basically gets deferred to the death tax, that probably gets forgiven because the amount is actually under the annual value. Why do you actually need your own life insurance policy? Well, frankly, at the end of the day, when you buy group term life insurance, you actually don't have the portability of that life insurance. So if you're in a position where you've stayed there for 5-10 years, you are now 5-10 years older when you go to buy that new life insurance. Maybe you went out and decided to start working for yourself and left that employer that you've had for the last 5-10 years. That is now 5-10 years longer, which means you're going to pay more money because you're that much older, right? The other thing is, group term life insurance, you don't have to be healthy to buy, right? That's just the way it's priced. There's really like a 1 in 100,000 chance that they're ever going to cash it in. That's why it's so cheap. But the reality is you don't have to be healthy. Your employer gets to kind of split the risk amongst all of the employees, and for that they get a great rate, and they don't care, honestly, as a carrier if you're healthy, because they're going to make a ton of money on it. The reason why you want to take this into account is, yes, probably in your young years you're going to be super healthy, but honestly, the longer you work, the more stress that you're under, it's going to age your body. That's just the fact of life. And if you wait 5-10 years to buy that life insurance, you probably are going to have a little bit worse cholesterol. Something is going to have happened. Maybe you busted your knee or something, and that's going to be carved out of your living benefits because you have a bum knee or something. Who knows? The point is that the best time to buy life insurance is typically today, right? Because you are your youngest today as you're watching this video. You are hopefully your healthiest today as you're watching this video. Yet all translates into you will get your best rate for a life insurance policy today. And so what I would suggest is take the time to go and get your own policy, to have something that is your own, that is not contingent upon your employer, that's not going to be succumbing to your employer changing your benefit plan, or maybe they get bought by a different company, or things like that. Something that's not going to be up to their decision, that you know, thick or thin, it is yours. And you know that your health is good today. You know that you are insurable today. When is the best time to buy life insurance? Today. Should you have group term life insurance? It's okay, but not make that your only policy. And I would suggest that you give us a call today.